Good morning, I'm Zach Smith. I wanted to do a quick video walkthrough for you on the 2014 Roadtrek Adventurous CS. It's in really good shape. Tires look dang near new. I'll walk around the back as well. I love the color. It's kind of like a bluish color, real light. And then this is a power step. So when I opened the door earlier, this came out. It's a 2014, so you're gonna have some cosmetic stuff, but it does not affect the performance. Same with up here. So just a little bit of cosmetic stuff, but other than that, it's in great shape. Bathroom is in here. Let's see, is this unlocked? Perfect. So this is a wet bath, so you have the toilet / shower and hand sink as well. And then back here, this does go flat. And then you can connect here. There's a platform that connects, so this entire area back here would be one big bed. There's a TV under a cover right there. Looks like a DVD player as well. This is the view from sitting in the very back, looking forward. It's Roadtrek quality, which is really good. And actually massive fridge for a B van. Microwave, double cooktop burner, and then that's the sink as well. And then up here, all your main controls. So you do have a generator on board, inverter, smoke detector, and then more storage up here as well. Cool. Here it's the 2014 Roadtrek Adventurous CS.